Hi, we'll be solving a probability problem today. So what is the probability that the sum of two dice rolls will yield a 5, and then when both are thrown again, their sum will yield a 9? So there are two parts of the problem. Let's solve the first part, which is when the two dices are rolled, they will yield a sum of 5. So when we are rolling two dices, the total number of cases will be 36, because in the first dice we can get 6 options. In the second one we can also get 6 values. So total number of cases will be 36. Now if you have to get the sum as 5, then we can get a 1 in the first dice, 4 in the second dice, 2 in the first dice, 3 in the second dice, 3 in the first dice, 2 in the second dice, and 4 in the first dice and 1 in the second dice. So overall we'll have 4 cases. So probability that the sum will be 5 of the two dices rolled. So probability that sum is equal to 5 will be equal to number of favorable outcomes, which is 4, divided by total number of outcomes, which is 36. So probability that sum will be 5 will be equal to 1 divided by 9. Now let's find what happens when they are thrown again. And now we have to get a sum of 9. So in order to get a sum of 9, we can get 3 in the first dice, 6 in the second dice, 4 in the first dice, 5 in the second dice. We can get 5, 4, and then we can get 6, 3. Again, we have 4 cases. So probability that sum will be equal to 9 will be equal to 4 by 36 and will be equal to 1 by 9 again. Now, what is the probability that both of these events are happening one after the other? So that probability will be given by probability that sum is equal to 5 multiplied by probability that sum is equal to 9, and will be equal to 1 by 9 multiplied by 1 by 9, or is equal to 1 divided by 81. So answer will be option number A. Now, if you want to master the concepts of probability of rolling a dice, do check out the videos provided in the description of this video, where I teach you those concepts from scratch. Hope you found the video useful, and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.